Back. Done. 4 gallons. So honestly, I'm gonna water again because the thing is that what I'm trying to see is the water protruding or filling up the saucer, so then I know that I've saturated all the soil real good. So later on I'm gonna water again, but I'm just gonna do a quick little microbe, a bunch of the microbe mix, you'll see. Okay, so for right now, since we're done watering, I'm gonna do an IPM. Alright, I'm gonna do an integrated pest management, and this is gonna be the combination, the concoction, all the mixture of my IPM products, and I'm just gonna foliar spray real good. And that's it for now. Oh, and set up the trellis, and we're done. So that's how everything looks. Water in. It's awesome. Alright, let's proceed.